This is Huawei Mate 60 Pro, a center of controversy due to the US-China geopolitical tensions. Now let's talk about the hardware. The Kirin 9000 uses a 7nm design, a bit behind what Apple's A15 Bionic and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 have. The Kirin 9000S falls slightly behind in raw power, but interestingly it connects to 5G networks. Although it does not show a 5G logo, but when you do speed tests, it outperforms the 14 Pro Max and Galaxy Z45. So definitely you are getting 5G speeds with the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. It features a 6.8-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. You will love this glass design with a circular finish camera. This phone feels solid at 212 grams and its 8.1mm thickness contributes to a sleek profile. Up front you will see 3 hole punches housing a 13-megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera, TOF sensor and a depth sensor. The TOF sensor time of flight creates a 3D map of your face, serving as Huawei's version of a real 3D facial lock. At the back you have a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel camera featuring a variable aperture, just like in the Huawei P60 Pro and Mate 50 Pro. The aperture can switch between f1.4 and f4. This allows for shooting at 1.4, providing a shallower depth of field and capturing more light. The main camera is solid, but the real star is the 8-megapixel Periscope zoom lens, incredibly versatile. Its 3.5 times zoom is equivalent to a 75mm focal length and it delivers excellent portrait level framing with impressive bokeh. At 3.5 times zoom, the bokeh is notably stronger than the iPhone 3X telephoto. The Periscope zoom lens also captures impressive macro shots, getting you closer to subjects than any other phone. The 3.5x lens offers such a great bokeh that you can even do product shoots and macro photography with this smartphone. Since the depth of field is real, you can capture videos with the same beautiful bokeh. There is also a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with f2.2 aperture and it's great for landscape photography. Elsewhere, you have a 5000 mAh battery inside that can be charged at 88 watt speeds with included charger, or 50 watt wireless speeds if you use Huawei wireless charger. This one is also rated IP68 water and dust resistant, and the glass is not protected by Gorilla Glass, but instead it is protected by Huawei's version of Gorilla Glass. I wish the software could run Google apps, but it cannot due to US and China tensions. So yeah, that's about it for this Mate 60 Pro, the most controversial and most dramatic phone of the year. For more product reviews, stay with us. Thank you.